I compared MetaTrader 5 and MatchTrader, and honestly, they cater to two very different types of traders. MetaTrader 5, MT5, is the classic industry standard: tons of indicators, expert advisors, automated trading, backtesting, and a massive community of tutorials and tools. If you're into algorithmic trading or want a platform that works with nearly every broker worldwide, MT5 is still the safer, more established choice. It's not the prettiest interface, but it's powerful and reliable. MatchTrader, on the other hand, is much newer and focuses heavily on modern UI and mobile-first trading. It's cleaner, more intuitive, and feels a lot less cluttered than MT5. The platform integrates social trading, simplified charting, and faster onboarding, which makes it appealing for beginners or traders who prefer a smoother, more app-like experience. But because it's newer, it doesn't have the same level of automation features or third-party tools that MT5 offers. Another thing to consider is broker availability. MT5 is supported everywhere. MatchTrader is available with far fewer brokers, so your choices are limited. So, which is better? If you care about advanced tools, algorithmic trading, and flexibility, MetaTrader 5 wins easily. If you want a simple, modern interface for manual trading, MatchTrader feels more refreshing.